morning everyone, this is Urvashi Kalra. Today I am going to discuss the square root of decimals with you. Okay, as I discussed the square root of perfect squares and non-perfect square in my previous video, you can check from there. And now we will discuss the square root of decimals. Decimals means the number which are having decimal in it. Okay, supposedly consider the first one. If I have to find the square root of 0.0009, okay, supposedly if I have to find the square root of this one, then what you have to do, count the number of digits after decimal. After decimal you are having number of digits after decimal are 4. So number of digits after decimal are 4 and you have to divide it by 2. आपको किससे डिवाइड करना है? 2 से. What will you get? You will get 2. इससे आपको क्या पता चलेगा? It will give you the decimal place. ये आपको क्या दे रहा है? Decimal place. Okay. Supposedly we have to find the root of this one ना, means whatever your answer is, जो भी आपका आंसर होगा, you have to put the decimal before 2 digits counting from last. As you all know that root of 9 is 3, है ना? As you all know that root of 9 is 3 and we know that counting from last before 2 digits we have to put the decimal. This is first one, this is second one. Okay, and this is the left space. Left space will always occupied by 0. In this way you can write the square root of this one. Now supposedly if we are having 0.64, okay, as you all know that root of 64 is 8. 64 का root क्या है? 8. Now you have to find the decimal place where you have to put the decimal. As you know that you are having 2 digits after decimal. Decimal you have कितने digit है? 2. Always divide it by 2. What will you get? You will get 1. Means before 1 digit you have to put the decimal. So your answer must be 0.8. Remember this holds true only in case of even number. If we are having even number of digits after decimal, then this holds true. This will not hold true for odd numbers. Okay, now supposedly if I am having 0.0000 and 625, okay, we have to find the root of this one. As you know that 625, square root of 625 is 25. Square root of 625 is 25. Now count the decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means you are having 6 digit after decimal. As I told you, we have to divide it by 2. What will you get? You will get 3 here. So 1, 2 and 3. Before 3 digits you have to put the decimal counting from last. Last से count कीजिए. Before 3 digits you have to put the decimal. Okay. Now let us take one more example. 0.01. As you know that root of 1 is 1. 1 का root क्या होता है? 1 number of digits are 2. Always divided by 2 you will get 1. Means before this you have to put the decimal. So its answer will be 0.1. Let us do some more questions which are not perfect square. These all are perfect square. Now let us discuss some questions which are not perfect square. Now let us take an example. Supposedly if we are having 0.04, as you know that root of 4 is 2 and here are 2 digits after decimal. So 2 divided by 2, what will you get? 1 means before 1 you have to put the decimal. Now how will you find the root of this one? As in this case you are having even number of zeros. आपके पास even number of digits थी ना after decimal. In this case you are having odd number of digits. So how you will find it? Let us take a look. So by long division method we will find it 0.4. We can write it as like this. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 0.4 को. Okay. Now what you have to do? Look here everyone. As you know that we have to make the pair. हमें क्या बनाना होता है? Pair बनाना होता है. So there is no role of 0 here. यहाँ पर 0 का कुछ भी रोल नहीं है. 0 and decimal remains as it is. यहाँ पर 0 था और decimal था, ये हमने as it is लगा दिया. Why? Because if we do it by 0, है ना। अगर हम इसको 0 से करते व्हाट विल वी विल गेट 0. सो लुक हियर हाउ यू विल मेक द पेयर इन डेसिमल नंबर. डेसिमल नंबर में आप कैसे पेयर बनाएंगे. लेट अस टेक अ लुक. Supposedly if you are having 625, how you will make the pair? You will make the pair as like this, na, counting from last. If you are having 1625, you will make the pair as like this. But in decimal number, remember this, how you will make the pair. Supposedly if you are having 24.6, आपको कैसे पेयर बनानी है. डोंट मेक द पेयर एज लाइक दिस. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट वन. इन डेसिमल नंबर वी डोंट हैव टू मेक द पेयर एज लाइक दिस. हमें ऐसे पेयर नहीं बनानी है. हाउ वी विल मेक द पेयर. दिस इज द होल नंबर पार्ट एंड दिस इज द डेसिमल नंबर पार्ट. सो जो डेसिमल से पहले है उसमें हम जैसे सिंपल पेयर बनाते हैं वैसे बनाइएगा. टेकिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट मेक अ पेयर एंड इन डेसिमल नंबर पार्ट यू हैव टू गो टूवर्ड्स राइट. ओके, आपको पेयर बनाते हुए राइट में जाना है एंड इन होल नंबर पार्ट यू हैव टू कम टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. ओके, नाउ सपोजिटली इफ यू आर हैविंग this one 126.452. okay, how you will make the pair. As I told you, in whole number part you have to move towards left for making the pair. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. And in decimal number part you have to move towards right. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. Okay guys, so when we solve this, firstly we will solve 1, then 26, then 45, and then we will write down 2 here. Okay, so in this case also if you make the pair as like 0 की pair बनाई you will get 0 ना. So that's why I am not doing that one. Decimal remains as it is. Now as you all know that after decimal we can put a number of zeros, the value remains same. कि decimal के बाद हम कितनी भी 0 लगा दे value कैसी रहती है हमारी same. So when I make the pair I can put a 0 here. हम यहाँ पर 0 लगा सकते हैं. Why? Because 0.4 is also equals to 0.40, है ना, ये दोनों सेम है. So I make the pair as I told you in decimal part. Make the pair starting from here and go towards right. Okay, now we have to solve for 40. हमें किसके लिए solve करना है. 40 के लिए. As you all know it goes on 6. 6 6 are 36. किस पर जाएगा ये 36 पर. Okay, now subtract them. When you subtract it what will you get. You will get 4 here. जब आपने इसको subtract किया आपको क्या मिला 4. As I told you we have to add them. इनको add कीजिए. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 कितना आ गया हमारे पास 12 आ गया. Now what you have to do, place a pair of zeros here and write it down here. यहाँ पर हमने zeros का pair लिख दिया और यहाँ पर write कर दिया. Now this is 12. Now you have to check the number that by which we multiply it so that we get 400 or less than 400, है ना. If we multiply it by 1 we get 121 which is very less than 400. If we multiply it by 2 we get 144 which is also very less than 400. If we multiply it by 3 then what will you get. Have a look. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. It is less than 400. Okay, so we have to multiply it by 3 and take from these 3, take 1 3 here. From this pair take a 3 here. Now subtract them as usually. What will you get. You will get 1 here. Here you will get 3. Okay, now add them. What will you get. You will get 126. Now again if you want to solve it further, अगर आप इसको further solve करना चाहते हैं you can put one more pair from here. आप यहाँ से एक और pair zeros की लगा सकते हैं. Okay guys, so now you have to check on which number it goes. ये कौन से number पे जाएगा. If we multiply it by 1 we get 1261 which is very less than this. If we multiply it by 2 supposedly 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 1 is carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 5 2 4. Now subtract them and from here you have to write 1 2 here. Okay, if you want that your answer is this. अगर आप इसको further नहीं solve करना चाहते हो after decimal के बाद only 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस आर सफिशिएंट, हम डेसिमल के बाद ना 2 डेसिमल प्लेस तक निकाल देते हैं, वो सफिशिएंट होता है। मींस आई कैन राइट 0.4 एज 0.63 ऑल्सो। डेसिमल के बाद 2 प्लेस तक निकाल दिया ना, बट इफ यू वांट टू प्रोसीड फर्दर यू कैन प्रोसीड इट। ये आपने लिख दिया, नाउ नो नीड टू सबट्रैक्ट इट, व्हाई, बिकॉज यू नीड दिस आंसर, आपको तो ये आंसर चाहिए, आपको ये आंसर मिल गया, सो नो नीड टू सबट्रैक्ट इट। ओके गाइस, let I am solving only one more example of the same. Supposedly if we have to find the square root of 2.4, so I am writing it as like this by long division method 2.4. okay, as I told you that we always have to make pair from last if the number is whole number, but in decimals how you have to make the pair, सीधी डेसिमल, डेसिमल देखिए, एंड इन होल नंबर पार्ट डेसिमल देखो आप लोग। ओके, और फिर डेसिमल से लेफ्ट में जा रहे हैं ना, तो लेफ्ट से पेयर बनाना स्टार्ट कर दो, राइट में जा रहे हैं तो स्टार्ट टू मेकिंग द पेयर फ्रॉम राइट। ओके गाइस, सो दिस इज द पेयर, इफ यू मेक द पेयर एज लाइक दिस वन दैट इज इनकरेक्ट। अगर आप 24 का पूरा पेयर बना देते हैं टेकिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट एज आई टोल्ड यू। ओके, so we have to make the pair as like this. okay, in whole number you have to move towards left when you making the pair, and in decimal part you have to move towards right when you making the pair. Now we have to solve the first pair, means that is 2. okay, now you have to check that by which number you multiply twice so that you will get 2 or less than 2. okay, as you all know, if we multiply it by 1 we will get 1. राइट 1 हियर, यहाँ पर हमने 1 लिखा, सबट्रैक्टेड यू विल गेट 1 अगेन। नाउ ऐड देम, आपने यहाँ पर ऐड किया, व्हाट विल यू गेट, यू विल गेट 2 हियर, यहाँ पर आपको क्या मिला, you will get 2 here. okay, now look here everyone, as I told you that if this is 2.4, okay, if I write it as 2.40, both are same, means after decimal we can put a number of zeros, हम कितने भी zeros लगा सकते हैं, so I can write as like this so that it becomes pair, है ना, हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना। so from here write down this pair means 40, यहाँ से हमने कौन सी पेयर उतारी, 40 की पेयर उतारी। अब डेसिमल था तो पुट दी डेसिमल, डेसिमल था तो हमने क्या लगा दिया यहाँ पर, डेसिमल, मीन्स जहाँ भी डेसिमल आएगा डेसिमल लगाइए एंड सॉल्व इट एज इट इज एज वी सॉल्व इन होल नंबर। ओके, now you have to check for the number that by which you multiply it so that you will get 140 or less than 140. if you take 4 here, means 24 multiplied by 4, you will get a number which is less than 140, है ना, आपको नंबर मिलेगा जो 140 से क्या है, लेस है। if I take 5 here, you will get 125, क्या मिला आपको, 125, 125 is less than 140, subtract them, what will you get, you will get 5 here and 1 here, 15 is remainder। okay, and from these two 5, from these two pair put 1 5 here, यहाँ पर आपने क्या लगा दिया, एक 5 लगा दिया। okay, so now add them, इनको हमें ऐड करना है ना, 25 plus 5 is 30, and from here you can put a pair, यहाँ से आप एक पेयर लिख सकते हैं of zeros। okay, now you have to check that by which number you multiply it so that you will get 1500 or less than 1500. so if you multiply it by 5, you will get a number which is more than 1500, as I told you in my previous video also that how you can check the number। supposedly if you multiply it by 5, okay, अगर आपने 30 को 5 से किया, मीन्स 305 multiplied by 5, no need to multiply the complete number, only check from here, 5 3s are 15 and some carry will also come, है ना, कुछ carry आएगी, then this number will be greater than 1500, so I am multiplying it by 4। okay, multiplied by 4, what will you get, 4 4 are 16, 1 will be carry, 4 3s are 12, no need to subtract it, no need to do anything else, write 4 here, why, because we want only this one 1.54, हमें तो बस यही चाहिए ना, ये मिल गया, why you subtract it, क्यों subtract करते हो, leave it as it is। okay guys, so root 2.4 is 1.54. Okay, now I am explaining one more question to you, the last question. Please check that one also. Now supposedly if we have to find the square root of 25.26. So as I told you that in whole number part, check the decimal in whole number part, make the pair going towards left, and in this fractional part make the pair going towards right. Okay, कैसे रिमेम्बर कर सकते हैं आप उसको? डेसिमल देखिए, दिस नंबर इज टूवर्ड्स राइट ना, सो राइट में पेयर बनाना स्टार्ट कीजिए, एंड दिस नंबर इज टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट ना, सो लेफ्ट में पेयर बनाना स्टार्ट कीजिए, एंड दिस नंबर इज टूवर्ड्स राइट, सो राइट में पेयर बनाना स्टार्ट कीजिए. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू चेक अ नंबर by which we multiply twice so that we get 25 or less than 25. As you know that 25 is perfect square, so 5 into 5 are 25. कितना मिला आपको? 25. ओके, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, यू विल गेट 0 हियर. यहाँ पर 0 मिला. डेसिमल का क्या बताया था मैंने? डेसिमल ही पुट कर दीजिए, है ना. अब डेसिमल आ गया, सो वी पुट अ डेसिमल. फ्रॉम हियर राइट डाउन अ पेयर मींस 26. Add them. 5 plus 5 are 10. इनको ऐड किया तो कितना मिल गया हमारे पास? 10. 5 plus 5 are 10. Okay, now you have to check for a number by which you multiply it, you will get 26 or less than 26. Okay, look here, if you multiply it by 1, अगर आप 1 से भी करते हो, you will get 101. This is more than 26 ना, so we have to multiply it by 0. यहाँ पर किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दी हमने? 0 से, एंड पुट 0 हियर. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 100 बाय 0 यू विल गेट 0. 100 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 0. सब्ट्रैक्ट देम, यू विल गेट 26. ऐड देम, यू विल गेट 100 हियर, है ना. इनको ऐड किया, आपको क्या मिला? 100 मिला. ओके, आई होप यू विल गेट इट दिस वन. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, from here you can write down a pair of zeros and write it down. यहाँ से आपने 0 का पेयर लिखा और उसको नीचे लिख दिया. ओके, now you have to check a number. अब आपको एक नंबर चेक करना है, that you take that one with 100. वो आप किसके साथ लें? 100 के साथ लें, so that you will get a number which is equals to 2600 or less than this one, है ना. या तो इसके इक्वल हो या फिर इससे लेस हो. So by which number you multiply it? Supposedly if you take 3 here, now 3 ones are 3 which is less than 2600 ना, आपको ज्यादा मिल रहा है, so it goes on 2. 2 twos are 4, 0 0 and 2 ones are 2. So from these 2's put 1 2 here. Okay, so no need to solve it further. So our answer is root of 25.26 will be 5.02. I hope you understand this, that why we put 0 here. यहाँ पर हमने 0 क्यों put करी? Because if we multiply it by 1 ना, we get the number which is more than 26. हमें तो क्या नंबर मिल रहा था जो 26 से ज़्यादा है. That's why I multiply it by 0. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.